In this video, I'm going to cover how you can easily create invoices and send them to your clients as your project progresses. In the Invoices section, I can get an overview of the total amount that I have invoiced, as well as any payments that I've received. You can see I've got a list of invoices that have already been paid. So let's go ahead and create a new invoice. We can give this invoice a title, as well as add any description. You can also choose between an itemized invoice, as well as a flat fee invoice. If you've selected an itemized invoice, KonstructIQ makes it easy for you to attach and add any bills associated with the budget directly into your invoice. So I've got 2 bills out here that I've paid to my subs. I'm going to add these. And if I have any receipts or documentation for those bills, I can even include those attachments from my bill and add them to the invoice. You'll notice that as these bills have been added, it automatically associates them with the right budget items, as well as adds appropriate markup for the project. I can also upload any attachments associated with the invoice, and you can have standard terms and conditions, as well as notes associated with the invoice. Before you send the invoice, you can preview it. You can also download an invoice and send it offline if you'd like. Or you can go ahead and hit send. You'll always get CC'd on every invoice that sends, so you'll get notified. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. Then cancel out of the screen and hit save. Once your client receives the invoice, and let's say they send you a check or pay you outside of KonstructIQ, you can record that as a payment by clicking on the invoice, scrolling down to the payment section, and selecting the Record Payment button. You can add a reference number associated, such as a check number, or add any additional notes. You can also select from a list of different payment types. Let's go ahead and hit Pay and save. You can see that it's easy to create, send, and get an invoice paid with KonstructIQ.